In the ever-evolving landscape of smartphones, Samsung continues to push the boundaries with its Galaxy S series. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, slated for release in 2024, promises to redefine the smartphone experience. Let's delve into the specifications of this cutting-edge device across various categories. Design and display. The Galaxy S23 Ultra boasts a sleek and premium design, featuring a fusion of glass and metal materials. The device maintains the signature Samsung elegance with slim bezels and a curved-edge display. At the back, a sophisticated camera module seamlessly integrates into the design, providing both form and function. The display is a true marvel, showcasing a 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED panel with an astonishing 1440 x 3088 resolution. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures buttery-smooth interactions, making every swipe and scroll a delight. HDR10 Plus support further enhances the viewing experience, delivering vibrant colors and deep contrast. Camera. Samsung's commitment to photographic excellence is evident in the Galaxy S23 Ultra's camera setup. The device features a quad camera system, including a 200MP wide-angle lens, a 10MP periscope telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom, a 10MP ultra-wide lens, and 12MP a dedicated TOF 3D sensor. The front camera is 12MP. The revolutionary camera array is equipped with advanced computational photography, enabling users to capture stunning images in various conditions. The low-light performance is exceptional, thanks to improved sensor technology and AI-enhanced algorithms. The S23 Ultra continues Samsung's tradition of excellence in smartphone photography, software and performance. Running on the latest iteration of Samsung's One UI 5.0, can upgrade me to One UI 6.0 based on Android 13, can upgrade me to Android 14. The Galaxy S23 Ultra delivers a seamless and intuitive user experience. The interface is optimized for efficiency and personalization, ensuring users can tailor their device to suit their preferences. Under the hood, the smartphone is powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. With up to 12 GB of RAM and ample storage options, the Galaxy S23 Ultra effortlessly handles multitasking, demanding apps, and high-performance gaming. Battery life. A robust 5000 mAh battery fuels the Galaxy S23 Ultra, providing exceptional endurance for a device with such a high-resolution display and powerful processor. Samsung's intelligent battery management, coupled with optimizations in both hardware and software, ensures a full day of usage on a single charge. Additionally, the device supports 45-watt fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging, allowing users to quickly replenish their battery when needed. The inclusion of reverse wireless charging further enhances the device's versatility, letting users power up other Qi-enabled devices on the go. Connectivity and additional features. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is equipped with a comprehensive set of connectivity options. 5G support ensures lightning-fast data speeds, while Wi-Fi 6E compatibility ensures a stable and speedy connection in various environments. The device also features Bluetooth 5.3 for improved wireless connectivity. Security is a top priority, and the S23 Ultra incorporates an under-display fingerprint sensor and facial recognition technology for convenient and secure unlocking. Additionally, the device is IP68 certified, making it dust and water resistant, providing peace of mind for users in various situations. Exciting additional features include stereo speakers tuned by AKG, Dolby Atmos support for immersive audio experiences, and an enhanced S Pen stylus for precise input and creative expression. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra stands as a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation and excellence. From its stunning design and display to the powerful camera system, top-tier performance, long-lasting battery life, and advanced connectivity options, this smartphone is poised to set new standards in the mobile industry in 2024. As we eagerly await its release, the Galaxy S23 Ultra promises a future where technology seamlessly integrates into our daily lives, enhancing our experiences in ways we never thought possible.